We are in the city, guys. Hi, Arya. She is super excited. Grabe. Bye. Here's my room. Mabigat kasi yung dalawa talaga. Yung German school at yung financial capacity. At hindi lang po dyan nagtatapos yung pagsubok no, sa German language visa. Good morning! Ayan na po. Ngayon na po kami pupunta sa school ni Tia. At ngayon na po siya mag-sit-in. Today na! She's very excited and she got a lot of school supplies in her bag. Ayan.
Like yesterday.
Yeah, and she's the one who prepared everything. And she's the one who brushed her teeth, take a shower, and a shower like washing her face, and also wearing her clothes. And what else did you do? Putting the school supplies in her bag. She did everything. The shoes also. She's the one who put her shoes. And socks, yeah. Thank you, girl. Sorry. Thank you. The best girl. Now we are waiting for our bus here.
For 2 minutes or 1 minute.
Yeah. But 2 minutes is so long, right? So long to wait. Because you're excited. Be a good girl, okay? Yeah. Yan na. See you now.
1 minute.
Yeah. Then, let's go, guys.
What did you do?
It's our bus there.
Oh, that's
Coming.
our bus. That's our bus.
Oh. Got a lot of dirt. Careful, ay, ang daming lula. Yan po gamit ng mga lula dito.
Ano?
To go to the other side. Yeah, you're cold. We are in the city, guys. Hi, Arya. She is super excited. Grabe. Nakaya niyang dalhin ang kanyang bag. Normally, hindi ito naglalakad ng ganito kalayo. But since she is motivated and excited, kaya nakaya niyang maglakad ngayon. At dala-dala pa ang kanyang bag. Sa loob niya na yung gamit niya, school supplies. And she kept asking, where's the school? Where's the school? We have to walk. Yeah. Ay! Ang cute ng aking anakin.
I'm already cold.
You're cold. And I carry her na lang kay naawa naman ako sa bata. Napagod nakakalakad. How are you?
Now I can walk, Mama, because we are almost there.
Okay, she can walk na daw. Ay, she's excited. Yes. Don't be shy there, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hi, girl. Come here, Langga. Oh. Yeah, I know.
I graduated.
Yan na. Hala. Yes, Tia. Uy. Hello. Very excited ba siya? Nag-start na mo? Pause? Bye. Smile. Guys, to the guys, to the. Das ist mein. Hello. This is my teacher. Yeah? Look at your face, Steve. Say hi. Hi.
Shy.
Yeah. Let's go. Say choose. Choose. Come here. Bye. Here's my room. Alessandro. You're going to babysit now. Hi guys.
Hi.
This is Mina. Nishta. Yeah. Say hi. That's good. She's shy. She's shy because Nein, meine Nishta. Yeah. This is good. Oh, das ist ML. Dann spielst du ML? Ja. Hi. Das ist meine.
Your little sister?
Nein, meine Nichte.
Deine Nichte?
Ja. Entschuldigung. Go, komm her. Are you shy? Just play, okay? Like, don't. Like that. And you can just, yeah, but not like. Why? Why? It's funny.
This is funny. This is my math equation.
Darf ich diese Seite löschen? Hier? Oder wollt ihr ein Foto machen? Von dieser Seite? Ja, mach es.
Okay.
Habt ihr alle Internet von der Schule? WLAN von der Schule? Wi-Fi? Wie viel? So hast du jetzt, ja. Und die anderen haben Wi-Fi?
Ja.
Okay, sehr gut. Wo ist der Russland?
Wi-Fi. Active 5,000.
Ich lese ein neues Wort und ich verstehe das Wort nicht. Was macht ihr?
Handy.
Handy? Was ist Handy? Übersetzen.
Ja.
Übersetzen. Wo?
Ja, Benepik. This is Alessandro.
Man macht ein Doku über das Leben.
Bene-
Ja?
That's my mom's.
Geografie zum Beispiel.
Yeah. Why?
Mimi.
Let me see.
Me.
Yeah, that's ballerina cappuccina. Mi. Mi amor, di cappuccino. Cappuccino assassino.
Oh, it's so cold. We're just going to wait for you.
I'm gonna send you a card. I already saw the numbers.
She said, "Who's going to pick up you?" Who's going to pick up you? You're still a baby. Oh, this is Alessandro. Hi! How are you? Hi! How was your experience by Tia's school? How?
Good.
Huh? How was it?
Good.
It was good? So, do you like to go to school? Do you like it? Or is it boring in school?
Only when I grow up.
When you grow up, you go to school. But how you find Tia's school? Are they friendly, or they're just silent, or they're boring, or
They are patient.
they are patient? Did you participate? Did you say something or do anything?
I don't know what that means.
Ah, so you're just quiet there. Are you a good girl there? Wow, I saw that in the video. You're really a good girl because your Tia was taking a video while you are writing and you were listening, very concentrate.
No. I was just drawing.
Ah, you
2
draw.
plus 2.
Ah? Why? Why you were just drawing and so?
Yeah, because I don't understand. I already told you that. I
Ah.
don't know what that means.
Yes, because they are talking like for grown-ups. Yeah? Don't worry.
Only when I grow up.
Yeah. Don't worry because you go to school when you are 7, I think.
Or 8.
7, 8.
Also 8.
Arias, this is the last question. So, is it good to go to school?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you need to learn something.
Wow! You won! You can be a Miss Universe because you need to learn something. Yes. Schooling or education.
I can also graduate it and I'm here like this.
Yeah. Schooling or education is very important in our life. So, we know something. We have knowledge. Right? Okay? Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye. Thank you for answering the question. So, ayan. Maraming nagtatanong kung anong school ng aking kapatid at paano talaga siya nakapunta dito sa Germany. Ano yung process step by step. So, ang dami pong process. Pero, ito lang po yung mga tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Mga information na sa mga nandito sa Germany na gustong kunin yung kanilang pamangkin or pinsan. So, ang una-una, yung mga basic na mga kailangan requirements, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin yung mga passport and everything kasi kaya naman niyang kunin. Pero, ang nakikita ko na dalawa na pinaka-importante na meron ang isang mag-a-apply, dalawang requirement na importante is, una-una is yung German course school. Kung gusto nyo silang kunin as language visa, German language visa, mag-apply sila ng ganyan. So, dapat meron po siyang school dito na naka-register At syempre, may bayad po yan. Bago sila magbigay ng certificate, kailangan bayaran nyo po. So, ang isang lesson, like A1, cost around 998 euro. So, kung sa peso, mga nasa around 55,000, something like that, 50,000 pesos. Ang isang course. Then, yung pangalawa na sabi ko na importante is yung capacity, financial capacity. Kung kaya nyo ba siyang tustusan. So, ayun, second is yung financial capacity. Kasi, titingnan po ng German government kung kaya nyo siyang tustusan. So, kailangan po yung Verpflichtung-Erklärung or yung, ano bang tawag niyan? Verpflichtung-Erklärung or yung sponsorship letter. Ayun. So, pupunta kayo sa city, mag-apply kayo ng Verpflichtung-Erklärung na kukunin nyo siya. Pero, ang ilalagay po doon is specific po na ilagay, hindi po tourist, kundi German language visa. Kasi yung tourist is medyo mababa po yung hinihingi nila na financial capacity. Pero kapag language visa is medyo mataas. So, dapat ang sahod ng mag-sponsor sa kanya, dapat minimum 1,500 yung extra money after sa mga lahat ng bayarin. Ganun. Lahat ng tubig, ganun. Basta kung meron siyang extra money na 1,500 per month, yun, pwede siyang ma-approve. Kung wala naman tayong capacity, hindi tayo makakuha ng Verpflichtung-Erklärung, pwede po tayong gumawa ng black bank account. So, yung black account, yung bangko na yun, huhulugan po natin ng 11,000 euro. 11,000 something, more than 11,000. Basta minimum 11,000 euro yung nasa black account na yun. So, ang 11,000 euro, kung i-convert natin sa peso, teka lang, so nasa 660,000. Minimum po yan na nasa bank account ng isang mag-a-apply. At ito pong 660,000 pesos, ay pwede nyo po siyang ma-withdraw, pero monthly lang po. Meron pong, may limit po ang pag-withdraw. Like monthly, mag-withdraw ka ng 1,000 euro. Gagawa po kayo ng black bank account na merong ganyan kalaki na pera para to be sure na masustentuhan yung pag-aaral niya dito sa Germany. Yan yung dalawa na para sa akin mabigat na requirement ng German government. Yung ibang requirements, makikita nyo naman po, mag-google nyo po sa online, no? At basic lang po, like passport, yung motivation letter, mga ganyan. Para sa akin, yan yung po mga light na mga requirements. Yung mabigat is yung dalawa talaga. Yung German school at yung financial capacity. Yan pong dalawa. At hindi lang po dyan nagtatapos yung pagsubok, no, sa German language visa. Kasi akala ng iba kapag mag-study sila ng ganyan, makakuha sila ng visa pagdating dito, easy na. Hindi po. Dahil yung kapatid ko, kaya nasabi ko last time, iyak siya ng iyak, homesick. Hindi lang po sa homesick, kundi nahirapan na po siya. Sabi niya, Mami, hindi ko na talaga sila maintindihan. Yung mga kaklase ko, nag-uusap na po sila. Ang bilis. Kasi mag-B1 na siya, no? Ang kapatid ko. Ang bilis na nila. Tapos, hindi na daw niya maintindihan. Parang, na-discourage siya ba na, bakit ganito? Parang hindi ko sila naintindihan kaya taga-aral ako. So, yun din po ang mga struggles ng estudyante. Normal lang po talaga na mahirapan kayo, especially sa German. Ibang language yan eh, di ba? So, hindi po basta-basta mag-aral. Kaya sabi ko, una-una lang yan. At kung hindi man kaya, pwede namang bumalik. It's okay. What's wrong with babalik? Kung hindi mo maintindihan, di babalik ulit. Mag-aral ulit. As long as you don't quit. Kung mag-quit ka, yan na yung end. Kung nagsisikap ka na matutunan yung bagay, you will never lose. You always win. Pero, pag sabihin mo na uwi ka na, di mo na kaya, ayun na, you lose. You lose the battle. So, if we don't quit, we always win. Kaya pabalik-balik tayo sa Bonn, hindi lang dahil sa mga anak ko, kundi sa kapatid ko. At syempre, nahirapan na rin po ako na magbiyahe, pabalik-balik. Kung kayo nanood, napagod. Mas napagod po kami, especially sa aking anak na si Arya. Iniisip ko talaga siya. Sa akin, okay lang. walang problema dahil kaya ko. I am very active person and I am an outdoor person. Hindi ko kaya na sa bahay lang mag-upo, mag-stay. Hindi ko kaya yan. Kasi ako ang tao na laging labas, laging galaw-galaw. At saka, tama po kayo na hindi settle yung life ko right now. Parang magulo, no? I know. Alam ko po yan. Aware po ako dyan. Pero konting patient pa po. Dahil alam ko kung bakit hindi pa rin tayo nakakuha ng bahay. Marami na tayong tiningnan, no? May mga apartment, mayroong malaki, may maliit, may mahal, may mura. Pero lahat, parang hindi natin nakuha. At yung iba naman, hindi natin nagustuhan. Pero alam ko na may inilaan ang Panginoon para sa atin. Kung bakit hanggang ngayon, ilang months na hindi pa rin natin nakuha yung bahay na gusto natin. Because I know that God is preserving a big apartment, big house for us. Especially for Arya. And yung apartment na yun, alam ko na yun ang the best na ibibigay ng Panginoon para sa atin. So be patient lang po. At kami naman po ay nagsisikap na makuha yun. And help me pray na makuha natin yung bahay na inilaan ng Panginoon para sa atin. Dahil I know na kapag si God ay mag-preserve at magbigay ng biyaya, ng blessing para sa atin, ito ay siksik, liglig at umaapaw. Yee! Punta sa shop kung saan doon ni-send yung order namin na bike, no? New bicycle para sa kanya. For sure, si Arya is very excited. Kaya, tara na. Hi!
Hello.
Arya is here now. Look, your bag. Can you put your bag there in the front? Because my hand is full.
Mama, we're not gonna go back to Berlin anymore when we live in Bonn.
Don't do that. How did you know?
But I want to stay here. I didn't touch the sand yet, just a little bit.
So I'm now with Arya and we're going
You
directly.
already know. You already do that.
Oh, sorry. So we're walking now, going to the shop where the bicycle is. I'm so excited.
Why?
But
I thought they're gonna bring it to our house.
no, we have to pick it up. But I am worried because it seems like smaller. I think it's smaller than your size. And maybe we will send it back. Arya. Uy! My goodness. Wow. Hala! Alles good. Now it's time for her to have a bicycle. Dito tayo sa Penny kasi gagawa tayo ng strawberry jam. Kailangan po nitong lemon, citron, at syempre strawberry. I think it's here.
Hello, I got my bike today.
Yes, here's now Arya's bicycle. Nakuha natin siya.
Let's try it out.
We open it first. Unboxing. Wait. You can make it kaput because it's already broken. Oh, wow. Wait. Put it over here.
Wow, it's pink a little bit. Look at the.
Yeah. So. Ooh, nice.
Oh, look at this. Kind of hard.
Maybe I will do it, yeah?
Mama, I'm gonna hold it.
You go there. So they can also see
Oh,
your-
it has training wheels.
Yeah. You go there, you go here.
It has training wheels.
Sa labas tayo nag-unboxing. Wow.
Oh
my God.
My goodness.
It's broken.
That's not. Not broken. It's only like details.
Details.
Yeah. It's only like they put it there because there's some cardboard there. Try to do it.
We open it here. Kasi napakabigat na po kung
It looks
dalhin
like
pa natin sa
Gucci.
bahay. Come. Looks like
It looks like the dog Gucci. Gucci's actually small. Like they're all. Oh my goodness. We need to pack this up all.
oh my God.
Oh my goodness. It's hard to fix. Better when my dad's there.
Can you hold here? So, put here first the wheels.
The training wheels are they? But first
wow.
the wheels. Oh wow! Cha cha cha! Mama, you need to take off the plastic. Mama, you need to take off the plastic.
Oh, they make it like this because it's heavy. Make it like really secure, right?
Oh, there's one wheel already here, Mama. There's one wheel.
Securities. I need first the paper.
Mama, I knew that was this box because I saw the sprinkles.
What?
Oh my god, it's
Huh?
a little bit
It's a little bit tricky.
yeah. We need to go home. And hot. Ayan. Ooh. Whoop. Yeah. Here. Come, Arya. So, now we fix Arya's bicycle. Look at that. Hi, Arya. Go. Hi. This is her first.
Your bag.
Yeah, I will get it. Her first bicycle here in Berlin. Where you go? Now Arya driving her bicycle. Ang ganda ng kanyang bisikleta. Color pink. Pink and beige. Ang ganda po siyang combination. Actually, better po sa bata para matuto po siyang magbike. Wala yang sa likod. Yung pang-balance niya. Kasi hindi siya matutong mag-balance kung meron pong secure. Yung dalawang maliliit na wheels. Dapat wala. Dapat yan. Pero since ayaw niyang ipatanggal kasi gusto niyang mag-enjoy muna na mag-biking. Kaya okay, for the day 1 ng kanyang bicycle, eh hindi natin tanggalin para hindi po muna siya mahirapan.
Yeah!
And then, gimanahin? Hmm? Nakarating po tayo dito sa Spielplatz or playground. Si Arya nag-stop siya kaya gusto niya maglaro. So, day 1 ng pag-practice ni Arya ng kanyang biking. Eh, nag-bike lang po siya ng mga 2 minutes. Oh. You know how? You will stand?
Okay, for your hand.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Eh. You want to stand?
Yeah.
Okay, stand. Okay, go. Good job! You're so stronger. So brave. Wait. Come. Oh my God! Wow. Ang bait ng nanay ng kaklase ni Arya sa kindergarten dahil sabi niya, much better para sa mga bata para matuto silang magbike na wala yung training wheels. Kaya tinanggal po niya. Come do it! Come fast! Come do it! Yes! Very good! Woo! Whoop! So nice, right?